We have a student who wants to study an object has constant acceleration. Which experiments to provide the best situation an object has a constant acceleration? So basically, to reword this question is, which situation is constant acceleration? Release a ball from rest at the Earth's surface. So if we have at the Earth's surface, we release this object and it falls. Well, yes, that acceleration is g and it remains constant near the Earth's surface. So we are pretty sure that this is one of the two answers. So release a toy car from rest such that it travels along different loop sections of a track. So let me make a track. And as the car moves along this path, let's see, when it's going here, it's got an acceleration, and here's another acceleration. Are all of these accelerations the same? And we can make the loop look like this. We could have a cart coming down like this. It's accelerating, it hits this flat. So the acceleration is some number, then it's 0. Then the acceleration is negative, and then it's positive. Wait a minute, the acceleration is changing all over the place. This can't possibly be the correct answer. And notice there's any number of ways we could have drawn this loop track, but if we can find any way where it wouldn't work, then we know that can't be a good technique by itself. So now we have a water-propelled rocket. So the rocket takes off. Now what's happening is, in the beginning, the acceleration is 0, and as the rocket starts to fire, the acceleration increases. And then the acceleration is a constant. And then it runs out of fuel, and the acceleration is a different constant. And that constant will continue until it gets to the top and accelerates back downward from g. But it's not until this point that we get a constant acceleration from rest such that it travels into the air and falls back down. This entire portion of the motion will not be constant acceleration, so that one's out. Now, of course, you're familiar with this one. Take a cart, put it on an inclined plane, and let it slide down that inclined plane. The acceleration will be constant. So indeed it is the first choice and the last choice.